Let's talk about fractions a little bit. 1/10 converts to 0.10. That's a tenth written as a decimal. 2/10 looks like this, 20% or 0.20 or 0.2. That's the decimal version of that, so 2 out of 10. 3/10 is 0.3, 5/10 is 0.5, and 8/10 is 0.8. I skipped a few in there. Of course, 0.9 is 9/10, and 10/10 would be 1. So 0/10 would be 0 up here. 0/10 is 0, and 10/10 would be 1. So from 0/10 to 10/10, those are all numbers from 0 to 1. So these are all fractions between 0 and 1. And I want you to notice something, that the smaller the number is on top, if you keep the bottom 10, the denominator, in proper math we call this the numerator, and this is the denominator. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then this is a small number. And the smaller, in comparison, the smaller the number is going to be. In other words, 1/10 is smaller than 2/10 because the numerator is smaller here. The denominator stayed the same, but when the numerator is smaller with the same denominator, the number overall is going to be smaller. So the bigger the bottom is, the bigger the denominator is, in comparison with the smallness of the numerator, then that number is going to be smaller. So 1/10 is 0.1, and the 1 is very small in comparison to the 10. But 8/10 is 0.8, which is bigger because this numerator is bigger. So that's something to think about, something to ponder when you're looking at a fraction. The bigger the denominator is, the bigger the bottom is in comparison with the top, then the smaller that overall number is going to be when you do the division and you convert it to a decimal and you think about the number as a whole. There you go, a little bit of fraction philosophy, if you will.